Good morning, everyone. I'm out here at the beach filming another video today, but I'm actually doing the intro for this video because the intro for the video you're currently watching got really messed up with wind noise and everything else. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is basically fishing the sound side. I'm going to be going after reds, trout, pretty much anything else. Decided to use a little bit of live bait this time. I don't normally use live bait, but anyway, it's gonna pick up right where I start fishing for live bait. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks. All right, so now we're gonna try and catch some pinfish so I can put them on this popping cork setup I have back here. If I can get this, there we go. So all I've done basically is I tied a couple of hooks on and put some fish gum on it with a little bit of weight. So I'm gonna toss this out and see if I can get a couple of pinfish. I've never tried this before, so we'll see. All right, guys, it's been a minute, but I finally hooked up on something here. Looks like a little red. Oh, nope, it's a nicer trout. All right. Oh, came off. That's okay. I don't like tearing their mouths up with that treble hook. But hey, at least we got some action this morning. Right now I'm using a Savage Gear Twitch Reaper. The smaller size. I can't remember the exact size of what it is, but the trout and reds really seem to both like it. I did hook up on one trout earlier with it too, but for some reason my GoPro wouldn't turn on. Hoping to get into a red this morning, but we'll see. It's been really slow. All right, I am back on again. This time, believe it or not, with the sun up that high, I am hooked up on topwater right now. I believe it's a trout. It doesn't seem to head shaking like one, so yeah. Looks like it's a decent sized trout too. A monster. Alright, dude. I'm gonna grab my pliers real quick because these guys flop like crazy and I really don't want to get hooked. Pliers are so rusty. I needed a new pair. Let's get this one out of here first. There we go. Oop. Alright, come here. Let me wet my hands first a little bit. There we go. Alright. Nice little speckled trout. Not a monster. Whoa! But he'd probably be pretty close to slot, so go ahead and let him go. All right. Cool. Well, I like coming to the spot because there's pretty much action no matter what. Even if it's smaller trout like that, at least you're catching something. And out here, for whatever reason, this doesn't work in the bay system nearly as well. Not to say it doesn't work, but it just doesn't work as well. You come out here, even on flat, calm days, and you work your way out here just a little bit, away from the docks. I am probably about 100 yards from shore right now, maybe 80 or so. And I'll take this big super spook or anything around this size, toss it out here, and trout will hit this topwater. no matter what time of day it is. Now that I've said something, they'll make a liar out of me, but that trout was first cast with the top water. All right, hooked up again. This one feels like a little bit better of a fish. Might be, oh no, it is, oh no, it's a mangrove snapper. Wow. Okay. I have never caught a mangrove snapper over here. Definitely not one on artificial like that. I've caught them on a paddle-tailed like type of shrimp before, but never a twitch bait. So these guys got some nasty teeth. They are a snapper, but yeah, I'm not gonna put my finger in there, but you can see it. That's pretty neat. I'm gonna get a little picture of this guy for Instagram. I have caught, I think, 2 of these ever. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let him go now. See you later. Yeah, that was neat. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, there we go. Hooked up again. This is a trout for sure. The head shakes. Yep, little trout. Hi, buddy, hold on. Grab it. There we go. Hold on, buddy, don't tear yourself up. There we go. Get that one out of your mouth. And you got one on your chin now. Let's get it out of there. There we go. All right, let's get you back in. Whoa, all right. See you later. Even though they don't fight like reds do, they're still a whole lot of fun to catch. I need to clean this kayak out. All this blue line got caught in my propeller earlier, and I spent a good 15 minutes cleaning that out, so that was fun. Alright guys, so I ended up catching a little pinfish on that fish gum that I had earlier, and even though we haven't been seeing reds today, I'm going to throw him out on a popping cork and just kind of let him drift behind me and see what happens. It's not really, it's really calm today, so I don't think that popping the popping cork's going to actually probably do me any good. And being that we haven't seen any reds, I'm not going to put all my eggs in one basket on this and only use the popping cork, so it's just going to kind of trail behind me and see what happens. But I'm going to go ahead and hook him right behind the tail here. All right, and now there, he's kind of chilling and swimming there, so now I'm going to cast this guy out. And all right, so I actually use this technique a lot with paddle tails and jerk shads and pretty much anything else. There we go. Pretty much anything else that's artificial. People call it dead sticking, but I've caught lots of fish doing it that way, actually. Just kind of letting your bait sit on the bottom and drift behind you while you continue to fish. and it's worked out pretty well for me. I caught a lot of trout doing that, and I caught a really nice black drum. I'll put a picture of that right here. Doing that on a paddle tail, of all things. A little 1/8 ounce hook, 1/8 ounce weighted hook and a paddle tail, just sitting behind me while I was throwing top water. So, well, I got him drifting back there with me, so we'll see what happens and keep fishing. I shut the camera off to move, and as soon as I did, I was reeling in, and this guy hit it right at the kayak. Just another little speck. Oh, got off. Oh well. All right. Of course, every time I turn the camera off, I end up getting hits. Oh, there's so much grass right here. All right, you guys, I'm hooked up with something decent. Looks like. No way. Man, those things fight. I got another mangrove snapper. No way. Huh. Man, he smoked that thing. I've fished here a long time and have never caught mangrove, so if I seem surprised by it, that's why. I've been fishing here all year, and it's September, and I've never caught a mangrove snapper here. Not once, not never. Alright, I'm hooked up again. Not sure what it is yet, but oh, it's a nice little red. Awesome. There we go. Oh no, that is a monster trout. Oh my gosh. That is definitely my PB trout, and I do not have my net. Holy cow. Wow. All right. I gotta get him in. That is a monster trout for me. Come on. Come on. Get back in here. Get in here. Come here. You're barely hooked. Come here. Yes. God. Wow. Okay. That is awesome. I am so glad. Yep. So glad I got this on film. This is a absolute giant for me. The biggest one I've ever caught before this was 19 inches. So he is definitely above slot. Wow. All right. Oh my gosh. I'll put this up there. Okay. I'll wet my hands. Gotta pedal a little bit too. Get out of here. Okay. Wow. All right. Look at that trout. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. All right, I'm gonna get him in the water because I do want to take a picture, but I want to keep him alive. Wow. All right, I'm gonna get a measurement on him as close as I can so I can measure when I get home, because I wasn't planning on keeping, so I didn't want to I didn't bring my bump board. All right, so he is about halfway or a quarter of the way to this next line right here. Document that. I'll post in the video. All right, so I'm almost out of battery. We're gonna try this one last time here, a couple of casts, see if I can't get a trout. Show you that it happens on top water out here in the middle of the day. Oh, I got something on the pinfish. Got something on the pinfish. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a nice red, it looks like. Either that or it's a really big trout again. Looks like another trout. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it is a little trout. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, buddy, all right. Nice, very nice. I've never caught anything on live pinfish before because I just don't use live bait, but all right, buddy, calm down, calm down, calm down. I was wondering what the heck was going on. All of a sudden, my kayak started shaking. All right. Well, thanks, buddy. See you later. Well, that's where I'm going to wrap it up for today, but if you like this video, please consider giving it a like and possibly subscribe to my channel. There's plenty more where this came from. Absolutely love doing this. Don't see it stopping anytime soon, so thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.